Hey guys, what's up? It's Lemon Gamer here, and today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfer. I'm joined with Little Maisie Gamer, and so let's do this. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have that. Let's get a lot of coins. What? Let's go. And guys, I'm really sorry about in my first ever video. I was so like just loud and young, and I also go like that. I always did that, guys. Woohoo! Let's go. Guys, comment down below. Will you do this parkour or will you not? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. The ducky's gonna eat me. Oh, the doggy's gonna eat me. Okay. Oh, and guys, this video is not sponsored by Pokey, but Pokey. But guys, Pokey is a free online game that you can just search on Google and then it gets it to you. You could play a lot of games. You can also play violent games, but I'm not on one right now since I don't like violent stuff in my channel. Turtles? Channel? Okay. Let's go. No! Dun, 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 dun. Do you want to play?
Yeah.
You can play after me. Okay. So let me press the button. I play. Okay, so press these buttons to move. Okay, that's good. And then now stop. Then now jump. Uh-oh. Now after me. Let's go, guys. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Oh, yeah. Pogo sticks. I like pogo. Oh! Yes, let's get a mystery box. How popular is Subway Surfer? Google Gaga? Okay. Let's go, guys. Oh, no. So, what are we gonna get? A hat.
You can do
Oh,
okay.
so press these numbers. That didn't count. So, you press this one to jump. You press this one to slide. You press this one to go left, and you press this one to go right. Go, Misa. No, these ones. After me. Okay, I'm making the video. Let's go, Maisie. Is this Maisie?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Is this Nanan?
Yeah.
He's jumping. Okay, Maisie. I mean, guys. Maisie calls me Nanan. Bye. Oh no.
What's that? Let me do it.
this, and this.
Mama. Yeah. What?
No. Guys, this is one. Okay. Now jump, jump, slide, jump.
No, Mama.
Jump, jump, slide.
No, Mama. Jump. Yeah. Jump. Jump. No. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is me playing. Let's do this. Jump, slide, slide, slide.
No.
I just gave it so lazy now. This is lazy playing.
I'm a penny.
My turn.
No. I'll pick a penny and yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, you plan till you get a mystery box, okay?
Cool.
Um, so guys, I'll see you when I get it. Okay, guys, I'm back.
I'll do it. My turn.
Hear me. Let's go, guys. Slide to the down. Okay, I meant to jump up, but that still works. Let's go, guys. Ow. Lazy. Stop.
Okay.
You but one more. Okay, just one more. Jump. Jump. Mystery box. Can I play one more? Real quick. I want to get a mystery box so bad, okay? You can play 3 times. Okay? Like I did. I'm gonna try to make this 2 minutes of running. Okay, so guys, I cannot mess up for you guys.
Thank you.
Right. Okay, that's one turn. You get 2 more.
Okay. Yoo-hoo!
Slide, slide, slide. Okay, now go down, go down. You only get 1 more turn. Okay?
Okay. Up on my.
Slide, slide, slide. Get the Poco. Then now slide. Oh no. Ow. Jump!
No, press this. No, one more.
Okay, just 1 more.
No, press this.
Press this one.
No, this one.
Okay, I press.
No! One more.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Bye, guys.
Bye,
You guys thought we were done. Huh? guys, I'm gonna like do this for all my videos, but we get 20 million bonus rounds. Dun 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 dun. Okay, that just sounds weird. Pogo stick. Maisie. Maisie. I can't do this. Maisie. 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 Guys, I'm really sorry, but Maisie. 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 Okay, guys, I hope. Okay, bye, guys.